Hello, please be welcome to this special auction for these two old friends, gentlemen, coming all the way from the Black Forest in Germany. I would like to show you how they work. Okay, remember, as per my description in eBay, only 50% of the machinery is working. So only this gentleman here will whistle and move his head once I wind it up. The other one does not actually work and will require repair. Okay, so just give me please one moment there. I will place my camera here so you can see this in action. Okay, so here I will wind it up, and this key should activate both mechanisms, but this is actually not happening. So only the side which I am actually winding up will work. So once you move this here, you can see the movement there. Let's do it once again. Once you wind it up, you will be able to press the releasing key 2 or 3 times before you have to wind it up again. But as you can see, this man here does not move. I will show you now from the reverse side how the machinery looks like. So this one is the one you will have to repair. They do not seem to be connected. You will have to connect the other one, okay? Hope you have enjoyed this, and good luck if you decide to bid. Best wishes from Uruguay in South America. Bye bye.